Hello everyone and welcome to day 103 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Yesterday we talked about what automation is, why it matters, and how you can use it to save hours of daily effort. And today we're taking our first step into the no code automation tools, Zapier, Pabbly Connect, and make.com. But before we jump in, did you know the first automation tool was invented over 200 years ago? It was called Jacquard Loop, a machine from 1804 that used punched cards to view complex patterns without human intervention. Believe it or not, the same concept later influenced early computers. Alright, enough with the history class. Let's talk about modern day automation tools that you can straight away start using. In the next 18 days, we are going to build real working automations using 3 of the most popular no-code platforms available in the market. Zapier, the industry leader with 6,000 plus integrations. Pabbly Connect, the budget-friendly king with unlimited workflows. Make, the most customizable and visual automation tool. So let's break down and help you decide which one is the right fit for you. If you have heard of software automation before, then you probably have heard of Zapier. It's the most well-known automation tool, and for good reasons. 8,000 plus integrations. So you can go ahead to zapier.com and click on sign up to create your account. And you can also go to explore apps to see what are the integrations available. Right? So as you can see, it is 8,112 apps as of today. Right? So you have Google Sheets, you have Gmail, you have Slack, you have Google Calendar. Anything that you can think of is mostly available in Zapier, right? Google Drive, Delay by Zapier. These, whatever you say here, whatever you see with the name of Zapier are internal tools, right? So Delay by Zapier or Filter by Zapier, Formatter by Zapier, Webhooks by Zapier, and so on and so forth. In Zapier, every automation is called a Zap. Zap is made of mainly 2 parts. One is called trigger, one is called action. Trigger is what triggers the automation, and action is what you do after the trigger has been triggered. Just to give you a very simple example, so if you have siblings, okay, go and hit them gently, okay, not hard, gently. You hitting them is the trigger, and what follows after that is called action. Let's say you receive an email and you are sending those details into Google Sheets, right? Like the subject, who is the sender, what is the body, when was it sent, if any attachments are there, and so on and so forth, right? Now, the email coming to your Gmail account is the trigger. The action is sending all these details to Google Sheets. Some of the pros of Zapier: easy to use, even user-friendly for beginners. Huge library of applications. As we can see, there are 8,000 plus applications. This will increase even further by the time you watch this video. Reliable and well supported, used by businesses worldwide. The cons, though, is in the free plan, you have very limited functionality. Prices are way more expensive than other competitors. No visual workflow builder, that is, uses a step-based approach, which can be confusing when you are building a very complex automation. If you're looking for simple, powerful, and reliable platform, then Zapier is your best bet. Let's move on to the next one, which is Pabbly Connect. You can sign up from here. You can sign up using our affiliate link, which will be added in the description below. Of course, you don't have to pay anything extra, but we get a small commission out of it. The reason I love Pabbly Connect the most is because you can get a lifetime deal where you just have to pay them once and you can use it for lifetime without having to pay on a monthly basis. That is just an added advantage. But on a serious note, Pabbly Connect is called budget-friendly Zapier alternative. Pabbly offers multiple softwares. Okay, Connect is one of their products, which is basically meant for automation. Right, so if you go to products, you can see Pabbly Connect is one, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, and so on. So if you go to Pabbly Connect, so this Pabbly Connect is what we are talking about right now, and this is what we will be exploring. One of the advantages of Pabbly Connect is if you go to their YouTube channel, they've got almost 11,000 videos in their YouTube channel, and like Zapier keeps adding more and more integrations, Pabbly Connect keeps adding more and more videos so that we can watch and do our automation easily, right? So if we want Google Sheets to, let's say, Sheets to Slack, right? You can see how to get Slack channel messages to Google Sheets, okay? Or how to connect Google Sheets with Slack for real-time notification, right? How to add Slack channel messages in Google Sheets. So you can see so many videos being created between the integration of Google Sheets and Slack, okay? As you can see, this is Slack to Google Sheet, this is Google Sheets to Slack, this is Slack to Google Sheet, and so on and so forth. Different use cases, different videos, you can get them all. Again, coming to pros, you have a one-time payment option, so you don't have to worry about the monthly subscription. Secondly, all internal tasks like routing, filtering, text manipulation, and all of that are free from the beginning. And thirdly, it works much similar to Zapier, step by step, so much easier to follow and build the automation. Cons of Pabbly Connect is it does not have as much integration as Zapier, but most commonly used applications are already integrated. I believe they have 1,000+ integrations, or maybe even more. But most commonly used applications like Google Sheets, Gmail, Google Drive, Microsoft Outlook, right? Slack, all of that is already available. And for most of our use case, Pabbly Connect should be sufficient. Second con is the UI is not as polished as Zapier. Third one is the number of templates available might not be as much as well. So if you're looking for a cost-effective automation tool, then this is your best bet. Also, if you are the one who likes to watch videos and replicate it, then you have a lot of videos available as well. Now, coming to the third part, we can go to make.com. Now, if you prefer a visual drag and drop approach to your automation, then Make is your option. Instead of following a step-by-step approach like Zapier or Pabbly Connect, Make uses a flowchart style interface where you can visually connect different automation steps. As you can see on the screen, you can drag and drop the platform that you want, and you can connect it the way you want without having to get it step by step, right? You can connect it the way you want. You can zoom in, zoom out, so you can see the entire flow at any given point of time. Pros of Make is visual workflow builder, drag, drop, and customize workflows easily. Second one is multi-step workflows in the free plan as well. Unlike Zapier, Make allows multi-step automation even in the free plan. Third point is advanced features. Supports conditional logic, data filtering, and complex automations. Cons of Make. First one is steep learning curve. The visual element can feel overwhelming for beginners. Second one, number of pre-built integrations are not as much as Zapier. Third one, it can get slower for large workflows. If you are someone who loves customization, deep integration, deep automation, and a visual approach, Make is your best bet. But like I mentioned, explore all the three platforms during this series, and then you can choose which platform works the best for you. So now that we have covered three major no-code automation tools, which one is the best for you? If you want simplicity and reliability, Zapier. If you want unlimited workflows at a lower cost, Pabbly Connect. If you love visual automation and customization, then Make. I would say explore all the three platforms in the next 18 days and then choose the right fit for you. That's my opinion, but I would love to hear yours. Have you used any of these tools before? Drop a comment and let me know which one do you prefer and why. Now that we know what automation tools to use, it's time to build some real-world workflows. In the upcoming videos, we will take a step-by-step approach to setting up automations in Zapier, Pabbly Connect, and Make. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one.